purpose of today's activity was to help budgeting in uni. So we were given a budget of £10 and we had to create a meal, I guess, a main and then a dessert.
Have you ever done it before?
Not really. I've seen my mum do it. Okay. And it's her recipe, so it's going to be good.
We've made a Chinese chicken curry, boiled rice and a chow mein, as well as a mini egg brownie for Easter.
Okay.
Well, it costs £9.93 altogether.
So our team has decided to make fruit skewers topped with drizzle of chocolate because we wanted something like low maintenance, something that didn't take like a lot of work and something we could just get rid of in like the first couple of minutes. So first layer is strawberry, mango, bit of marshmallow, pineapple. We know they're going to be popular, I don't know about you. So we drizzled like chocolate we had to melt on the hob and just simple, took about like 10 minutes. Altogether I would say this was like £2.50. Not too bad. We did decide to like cut our own fruits because it was a lot cheaper than getting like pre-cut. We also learned how to sew buttons and we put under 3-minute conditions and we had to try and see how many buttons we could sew. I do believe the most was 10 buttons.
You have to stop it in it.
I sucked on it, man, what do you want?